All right, so we are adding fractions. Okay, this worksheet is a really cool worksheet because you're just adding fractions. And the rule when you're adding fractions is that if you have like denominators, then you just add the two. All right, and so if we read number one, it says the park department wants a new tree planted or new trees planted. They agree that 1/10 of the tree is oak, 3/10 of the tree is pine, and 2/10 of the tree is willow. They are undecided about the rest. What fraction of the tree will be oak, willow, or pine? Okay, so if we were to draw this out just so you can see it, you have a tree, right? Okay. And they say that 1/10, so let's say that 1/10 is this amount right here. So 1/10 of that is oak, 3/10 of that is pine, 2/10 is willow. And then the other rest, the other part, we just don't know. So the question is asking, what fraction of the tree will be oak, willow, or pine? So they're asking pretty much what is going to be the total fraction of this tree with willow, pine, and oak. So we have to add, okay? So we're going to, all right, so this is a really simple problem. So we know that we have 1 plus 3 plus 2, okay? And we know that pretty much what we don't know is the fraction that's not willow, oak, or pine. All right, and then you just solve the fraction. So we got 1/10 plus 3/10 plus 2/10, which is going to be 6/10. And we need to reduce this because we have two even numbers. So 2 goes into 6 and 10 evenly. So you do 3 and 10 divided by 2 is 6. So the correct answer so 3/5 of the oak tree is going to, 3/5 of the tree is going to be either oak, willow, or pine. Okay. All right, let's do the second problem. All right, the two Patels have a DVD collection. 3/8 of the DVD are animated, 2/8 of the DVD are mysterious, and 1/8 are comedy. The rest are about travel. What fraction of the DVDs are not about travel? Okay, so again, we're just adding up the fractions. That's it. So we see that 3/8 is animated, 2/8 is mysterious or mysteries, and 1/8 is comedy. And then the others, which is we don't know, are about travel. Okay? So our whole number is, we know that 2 plus 1 plus 3. All right, number of models with unknown. So that's going to be the other DVDs or the travel ones. And then we just go ahead and solve it. Three eighths plus 2/8 plus 1/8. And then that is going to give you your answer, 6/8. And then we divide both of these top by 2, because we have to reduce it because we have 2 even numbers in a fraction. You can't have 2 even numbers in a fraction. One has to be a odd, one has to be an even. So it's going to be 3/4. Okay. All right. So we have like denominators. So all we do is just add the top. 3/5, 10, 6. And then we can reduce this. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then you have 4 over 3. And there you go. All right, so remember when you're doing this, to remember if you have the same denominator, you keep it and you just add the top. All right?